Hi and welcome back to my channel. So for my breakfast this morning, do excuse the presentation. It was going all well and then my eggs broke. So I really need to get a new frying pan. But I've had so many frying pans and they're all rubbish. But anyway, I've got 2 slices, I've got 3 slices of bacon medallions and they are free on Slimming World as long as you remove any visible fat. And then I have got mushrooms, which was done in Fry Light. Got half a punnet there, which have gone to nothing. They are speed food. The tomatoes are a speed food. And then the 2 very messy eggs, which are free in protein. So yeah, it's going to be a nice filling breakfast, but any recommendations of a good frying pan, please leave a comment down below because I seriously need one. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this and I will catch you all later. For my lunch today, I have got a bed of romaine lettuce. And then on there, I've got some cucumber, red onion and cherry tomatoes. That is all speed foods and the lettuce is speed food. And then I've got a boiled egg, which is free in protein. A tin of tuna, which is also free in protein. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of the Lighter Than Light mayo from Aldi's. It's half a tin a tablespoon. So I've got 1 tin of, get my words out, 1 tin's worth of the mayo. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. It looks lovely and fresh and healthy and fresh. So I'm going to tuck in. If I have anything else, I shall let you know. I'm sure I'll probably have my usual. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. God, you know what? I really enjoyed that salad. It was really delicious. So yes, I'm having the same again. I've got an orange for speed food and the cinnamon bun Muller Light yogurt for half a tin. I'm just going to have this afternoon snack now. So an apple is speed food and the banana is a free food. This is what I'm making for tea tonight, garlic and ginger curry. So it's all Slimming World friendly. There was something I had to sin, what was it? Mango chutney. So it's a tablespoon of mango chutney and this is to serve 4, so that's not going to come up too bad. I need to check those fenugreek seeds, whether they're free or not. Apart from that, I think everything else is okay. If you are calorie counting, it's 320 calories per serving, and it's in this new Pinch and Arm book. So yeah, and I've heard lots and lots of good things about this on Instagram and Facebook. So we will see. So I've got the chicken cooking now. I've never used these before, but these are fenugreek seeds. These, I've just weighed these out because I needed 2 teaspoons and this has come out as 8 grams. I've messaged my consultant because I wasn't sure sin-wise on these. So she said to be on the safe side to sin these at 2.5 sins. But this is to serve 4 anyway. So, yeah. But yeah, I've never tried them before. But then they smell like, you know, really currified they smell. So here is the finished result. And apparently it tastes very nice. So I think I'm calling it 2 sins for... Actually, it's not actually 2 sins. I'll confirm at the end of the video. But yeah, so anyway, that is the curry. And I got the rice, which is free. And then I got some tender stem broccoli there for some speed. So yeah, it tastes amazing apparently. So I'm going to see what I think now. That was absolutely delicious, that curry. Definitely recommend that one. So I'm going to finish off with Kvarg yogurt. And this is half a tin. So if you have got the Pinch and Arm book, you really got to try that garlic and ginger curry. Oh my God, it was delicious. My husband was like, oh God, I know what these recipes are like in these books. They never turn out like you think they're gonna. But he said, oh my God, he said, it is so nice. Yeah, really, really nice. Now, I put on my my Simmer World Group's Facebook page about these fenugreek seeds. I've never used them before. Apparently you can get seeds and leaves. Anyway, so I wasn't sure what to do, like sin-wise, whatever. So anyway, my consultant messaged me and she said, play safe. She didn't really know about them either, but she was looking into seeds. Now, they're not really seeds. They're more of a spice, but so she said, for the amount, class it as 2.5 sins. But then there was a bit of a discussion going on then on the Facebook page, because there was about 3 saying, no, absolutely not. It's spices. It doesn't need sinning. And this one said she's used them for years through her weight loss and she's never sinned them. So I don't really know whether I should just listen to my consultant or take the gamble. So I don't know. But anyway, so if I did say 2.5 sins for the 4, it served 4. So that's what, like, probably not even 3/4 of a sin each. And the mango chutney was 1 sin for the tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon was between 4 in the recipe. So even if I classed it as 2 sins, that's still going to be, I think I'm just going to say 1, you know, because listening to them, that seeds don't need to be sinned anyway. So I'm going to say 1. So on that note, I'm ending today on 7 sins. I'm going to finish off later with my B choice of 2 hi-fi bars. My favourite hi-fi bars, I've got to tell you, is the fruit and nut ones. Do you know, I absolutely love them. I've tried quite a lot of the other ones. I did like the, oh gosh, what was that flavour that I did like? Double choc, I think. And then I got a bit bored of them. But the fruit and nut, I always go back to fruit and nut. But I'm quite excited for the new one that's coming out. I can't remember what it was now. Something toffee. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to have 2 hi-fi bars. And then I'm going to have some raspberries and blueberries as well. I got chewing gum in my mouth. I'm sorry if I'm like chomming. But when I went to the doctor's on Monday, and they said that they think it's this, what do you call it? They prescribed me, and I only picked it up today, I completely forgot. They prescribed me, I'm already on a Maprazole, so she gave me a higher strength of those, and to take more often. And she, oh my God, I feel sick when I take it. She gave me the Gaviscon, and I remember, I mean, I've had Gaviscon before, and I just couldn't take it. But now I've got to take it, because to see if this helps, then the way she was talking, I think if this stuff helps, and it's obviously, if I haven't had the scan by the time I go back and see her in a month, if it helps, then it would probably be that it is the gallbladder. So yeah, so I'm heaving when I'm taking it. I'm like a child, honestly. I mean, I used to tell my kids everything that tastes bad works best, but oh God, it's awful. It really is. So I had a glass of water by the side of me ready. So I have to take 2 teaspoons of it. It's just so thick. I mean, it's just, oh, I just hate it. Absolutely hate it. I've got to take it after every meal, 2 teaspoons after every meal, and before bed. So, oh, I'm ruining my food by taking that. But if it helps, then I'm all for it. But, oh, it's gross. So anyway, so my husband was like, oh, I don't know what all the big fuss is about. God, it's only a bit of medicine. So I put a bit on the end of the spoon. And I said to him, right, you have some, because he's never had it before. You have it and tell me what the big fuss is. And you have to go and spit it down the toilet. So there you go. They always think they know best. Anyway, yeah, so I can't remember where I was now, but I've had some really, really nice food today. Really enjoyed my lunch. That salad was just so nice. So, yeah, 7 sins. So I'm quite pleased with that. And, oh, and tomorrow, no, not tomorrow. Might be tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, it'll be over the weekend. I've got something new to vlog. It's a new product that I've been gifted, and it's totally going to be out of my comfort zone. Totally out of my comfort zone. So, yes. You'll have to wait and see what that is. It's going to take a lot for me to film it, but hopefully you'll be kind. But yeah, let's just say it's going to be quite uncomfortable. But once I've done it, I should be all right, hopefully. Talking, well, I'm not actually talking about clothes or anything, but I got commented on earlier. Do you ever wear any colours? I'm always in black. I'm sure you've realised by now. I'm always in black. I sometimes white, black or white, or occasionally, but it's always like really dark, apart from white. I'm always in dark because I'm still thinking that I'm like 3.5+ stone heavier, and black's more slimming, obviously. And I quite often am in clothes that are, well, not trousers, but tops that are 2 sizes too big for me because I want to cover up. And I'm very aware of this situation. Obviously, when, I mean, Amber's a bugger with photos and videos, so she's always taking videos or something, and I'm always in black, and I'm thinking, oh my God. So that is going to have to change this year. I think I'm going to have to get out of my comfort zone and get some colour, especially when I hit Target, which I will do. That is, I think, is going to be my present to myself. Go and buy some new tops. I live in leggings, more or less. I've got, well, I do wear jeans, but I love leggings. They're just so comfortable. But I'm not a skirt person at all. I don't do skirts. I mean, I have done, obviously, for holidays and stuff, but I'm not comfortable in them. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm sure you'll have all noticed this by now, that I'm always in dark colours, but I'm going to have to change this. Definitely. So I'm going to wrap it up here because I have got a few things on this evening, and I need to go and deal with those. So I will catch you again tomorrow. So yeah, definitely try that curry. It was delicious. The only thing I didn't put in there that they said, and it was optional, was the chili, because I didn't want to be, you know, with all this going on, whatever it is. And it was so nice. They also said optional to add Greek yogurt. I didn't do that either. Didn't need it. So yeah, highly recommend that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are all well. And if anyone has got any recommendations for a good frying pan, I know Tracy Mouse has been showing some good frying pans. I might have to see if I can find out which ones, because I know her handle changes colour when it's ready to be used, but I'm not sure what make they are now. But any recommendations, please leave a comment down below, because I'm getting sick of ruining my eggs. So anyway, I will catch you all again tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.